Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are here to discuss the procedure of deriving the quadratic formula, which is the most important question so far as the quadratic equation is concerned for the students studying in 10th class. Now, in order to derive the quadratic formula, we will consider a quadratic equation like this: ax square plus bx plus c is equivalent to 0, where a is not equal to 0, because if this a, which is coefficient of x square, if it is equal to 0, then this term x square will be vanished, hence we will not be left with the quadratic equation, it will become a linear equation. That's why this coefficient a is not equal to 0. Now to get the quadratic formula, what we will do, we will multiply 4a. There are a number of procedures of deriving it, but we will discuss multiplication by means of 4a. Now we will multiply above equation on both sides by 4a. We get 4a into ax square plus bx plus c is equivalent to 4a into 0. Now this 4a distributed to the every term will get 4a square x square plus 4a into bx is equal to 4a bx plus 4a into c is equal to 4ac. 4a into 0 is equal to 0. Now on this term, what we will do, we will complete the square by method of completing the square. Now this term, let's make it a perfect square like this: 2ax whole square. 2 2s are 4, a into x square is equal to ax square, x multiplied by x is equal to x square. Now we are left with this 4abx. Out of this we have to make the 2ab of the square a plus b whole square. Now we will write it like this: 2 into 2ax multiplied by b. Now this will be 2 2s are 4, a into b into x will be abx. Now this b, let's add the square of b to this expression and subtract its square simultaneously. Then we have 4ac is equivalent to 0. Now what we'll get, this is the a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to a plus b ka whole square. Now the equation is solved up to this term. Now we are left with b square plus 4ac implies 2ax plus b ka whole square. Now transpose this minus b square to the other side of the sign of equality, will get it plus b square. Now this plus 4ac will be minus 4ac. Now transpose the square like this: 2ax plus b. This square will be transposed as plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Now transpose this plus b, it will be minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Now we have to derive the quadratic formula from which we will get the roots of this x. For that purpose, this 2a which is on the which is as a multiply over here, now this multiplier or this coefficient will get divided over there. Now this x will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our required quadratic formula which will help us to derive the roots of a given quadratic equation. Now this term which is under the square, under the root, this b square minus 4ac is d, which is called as the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now this x is called minus b plus minus b under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. This is the quadratic formula which helps us to derive the roots of the quadratic equation. But this discriminant helps us to discuss the nature of the roots. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed the procedure of deriving the quadratic formula. Inshallah, next time we will be coming with some interesting questions regarding the mathematics, and we will try to solve some of the difficult problems in the mathematics. Inshallah, I hope that you will subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.